Welcome to Orange HRM. In this video, we offer insight into the process employed at Orange HRM for comprehending and modeling your leave rules. Having collaborated with numerous clients globally, we've observed variations in terminology across different locations. Therefore, our goal is to establish a common understanding. The process for configuring your leave rules follows a structured 5-step program. Step 1. Share the leave rule document. We will provide you with a pre-configuration pack containing sample leave rule configurations that align with the operational standards of the respective country. This will simplify the process for you and offer guidance on how to share your leave rules with us. Step 2. Requirements call. Rest assured, we will take the lead in guiding this call. The primary objective is to ensure a comprehensive understanding of your requirements. The format will be a question and answer session, and we anticipate that the call will run for approximately 60 to 90 minutes. Step 3. Document your requirements. Orange HRM will take the lead on this. We'll edit the document and provide the completed version for approval. Step 4. Sign off. Once we've shared our document with you, we'll work together to correct any errors and refine it until we're both comfortable signing off on the specifications. Step 5. Configure and validate. We'll set up your leave rule requirements on the Orange HRM system, provide you a chance to test them to make sure they suit your demands, now that we have a good understanding of them. Now that you have a clear idea of the procedure as a whole, let's spend the remainder of this video going over the pre-configuration pack that you need to complete for Step 1. First, you should consider every kind of leave that you would like to provide support for. Geographical differences in needs have been observed. Have you chosen every form of leave that you wish to support? Second, you must determine which kind of leaves can be taken immediately and which must be accrued ahead of time. The majority of employers classify vacation leave as accruing. Is it the same with your company that you earn it? Next, when accruing, keep the various groupings in mind. Employees with longer tenure, for instance, can be eligible for more vacation time than those with shorter tenure. Determine the categories and the regulations that set each category apart. Are the new hires receiving a prorated amount in terms of entitlements accruing? Next, the majority of accrual-based leave kinds often use the remaining time before a set deadline, rather than carrying it over to the next period. Make a decision regarding whether to use the existing balance during the upcoming leave term. Finally, figure out the approval process for each type of leave. Usually, it's simply an employee's submission that the supervisor approves. However, is there anything else you require at this step? Perhaps your CEOs or HR participates in the final round of leave approval. Let's recap on what you need to do before the first call. 1. Decide the different leave types you need. 2. Differentiate accruing and non-accruing leave types among them. 3. Distinguish different accrual groups. 4. Think about the carrying forward policy you want to have. 5. Decide the approval workflow steps. Each of these topics will be covered when we have our requirements call. It would be fantastic to share all of this with us before the call if you have any documentation on these topics, such as corporate leave rules and previous configuration data. The more information we have, the faster we'll be able to get you up and running. We appreciate your time and hope to speak with you soon.